Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in this video we'll be making this jewelry on the occasion of Garba, or we can wear this jewelry in Mehendi or any other Indian festival, or you can also wear it as a bajuband. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is a lace, some pom-poms, some stones, seashells, mirror, scissors, lace, needle, wool. So we'll be taking this lace for the neck piece, and I'll be taking 6 flowers so that it will cover half of the neck. Then we'll be taking this another lace and we'll be sticking this flower lace. After that you can stick the laces together like this. Then the next is we'll be taking these pom-poms and we'll be stitching them all together with the help of wool. Once the pom-pom is done, we are going to stick these pink stones with the help of glue. So once our neck piece is done, we'll be making these beautiful earrings. For this, I'm taking same lace. I'll be taking 2 of these flowers. I'll be taking this side lace for the outline of the earring. Start sticking them together and give it a shape of sunflower. So once this is done, we'll be sticking the mirror, and same we'll do the back side of the earring as well. So once that is done, we'll be stitching pom-pom and then the seashell all together. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was useful, and if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel, hit the ring bell. Do watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.